Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0507 indicates that the idle control system of the Honda Accord is running at a higher RPM than expected. This DTC often occurs when the actual idle speed exceeds the desired target idle speed set by the powertrain control module, often referred to as the PCM. Idle speed is essential for smooth operation and is controlled through various sensors, including throttle position sensors, throttle body, and the throttle actuator, with their roles crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance. The engine model types applicable for this DTC are J35Y1 and J35Y2, which have specific idle management requirements. Understanding the structure of the idle control system is key, as it allows for an appreciation of how each component interacts under different engine conditions. A malfunction within this system can impede overall vehicle performance, leading to operational inefficiencies. DTC P0507 points to an issue within the idle control system, which manages the engine's RPM when idling. The components involved include the throttle position sensors A and B, located on the throttle body, which provide feedback to the PCM regarding the position of the throttle. The throttle body, where the air intake is controlled, plays a crucial role by regulating airflow to the engine. Additionally, the throttle actuator is responsible for adjusting the throttle position as directed by the PCM based on sensor input. These components work in concert to achieve the desired idle speed, which varies depending on engine conditions, such as coolant temperature and load. A failure in any of these components can lead to an idle speed that does not align with the target set by the PCM, resulting in the triggering of DTC P0507. When diagnosing DTC P0507, several possible causes should be investigated. A throttle body air leak can prevent correct airflow measurement, leading the PCM to estimate a higher idle RPM. Similarly, an intake manifold leak might allow air to enter the system unnoticed, altering the expected air-fuel mixture. An air leak in the intake air system can further disrupt the air supply to the engine, compounding the idle speed problem. While these are the notable causes, it's essential to recognize that this list may not encompass all potential issues, and other underlying problems might lead to similar symptoms. Each leak location requires thorough inspection to prevent misdiagnosis and ensure accurate repairs are implemented. Symptoms associated with DTC P0507 can manifest in several ways. A common indication is an erratic idle, where the engine speed fluctuates unpredictably, affecting driving comfort and vehicle handling. Additionally, a higher than normal RPM can lead to an uncomfortable driving experience, especially at stops. The check engine light, or MIL, will illuminate to alert drivers of this diagnosis, prompting further investigation into the vehicle's reported issues. Although these are the primary symptoms, it's crucial to remember that other symptoms may occur, which could also signify related issues in the idle control system. Observing these symptoms early can lead to timely diagnosis and repair, preventing further complications down the road. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0507, begin by starting the engine under no load conditions, such as having the automatic transmission in park or neutral. Hold the engine speed steadily at 3000 RPM until the radiator fan turns on. This is crucial because monitoring the engine performance at this RPM helps establish a baseline with the relevant data parameters involved. It's essential to ensure that both the throttle position and air intake system are functioning correctly at this elevated RPM. This step allows technicians to ascertain whether the idle control system is functioning normally before allowing the engine to return to idle state, which helps isolate the malfunction causing the error code. After reaching 3000 RPM and noting the radiator fan's activation, The next step is to allow the engine to idle for a minimum of 20 seconds. During this idle phase, it is vital to monitor the RPM behavior to see if it aligns with the expected target set by the PCM. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, can assist in getting accurate readings and understanding whether the engine maintains a stable idle or if the actual RPM continues to deviate from the target. Observations during this phase can provide insights into potential issues within the idle control system. If the actual idle speed exceeds the desired target by 200 RPM for more than 20 seconds, the DTC P0507 can be confirmed. Once the identified issues related to DTC P0507 have been resolved, it's critical to conduct a final repair verification. First, clear any stored DTCs from the PCM using the appropriate diagnostic tool. Following this, perform a test drive of the vehicle under varied conditions, ensuring that the engine has the opportunity to reach different operating states. Observe the idle behavior to confirm that the RPM stabilizes at the target level as configured by the PCM. If the check engine light remains off and no new diagnostics have been triggered during the test drive, it can be concluded that the repair was successful and the idle control system is functioning correctly. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0507 and promote the longevity of the idle control system, regular preventive maintenance is recommended. This includes routinely inspecting the air intake system for any potential leaks, ensuring that air pathways are free from obstruction. Throttle body cleanliness is also paramount. Deposits can affect sensor readings and throttle actuation, so regular cleaning can help maintain optimal performance. Moreover, utilizing quality fuel can prevent carbon buildup in the intake system, preserving the efficiency of the throttle actuator. Staying vigilant with these maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of idle speed control problems and improve overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0507 is crucial for maintaining the Honda Accord's performance. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps correctly, technicians can effectively diagnose and remedy issues affecting the idle control system. Additionally, implementing preventive measures can further enhance system integrity and reduce the likelihood of future errors. It's essential for vehicle owners and technicians alike to be proactive in managing engine idle performance through regular inspections and maintenance practices. Correctly addressing this DTC helps not just in correcting the immediate issue, but also in contributing to the vehicle's long-term health and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.